Juniper, say hi to Daddy. He's home from work.
How old is she today?
Juniper is 7 weeks and a few days. 7 weeks, 2 days.
Oh, she spit out. Perfect.
Perfect. She does that a lot. It's actually very on brand.
Good job, baby. Here, I'll flip the thing around. Look at yourself. Do you see yourself?
Say hi.
You're upside down now, look.
Oh.
Let's get her right in the eye.
Hey, whenever you watch this back someday, Juniper, tell me what color eyes you have, because I'm interested to know. Right now you have dark blue eyes.
Focus.
Can you see them? Nah, this lighting's kind of bad for it. But I wonder.
We'll try. Let's get the room in here.
Oh yeah, come see my nursery. I mean, that was you talking. Come see my nursery.
Well, that's nice now, isn't it?
Huh? We bought that thing from Walmart in a hurry. It doesn't match at all, and it's kind of ugly. But we figured it might help you sleep. It didn't.
Classic. Okay. See you later.
Bye.
She won't focus.
Hi, Junie. Hi, baby. Say something. Hi. Say hi. Oh, yay. Oh, my smiley girl. Hi, my smiley 7.5-week-old. Oh, my goodness. Huh? Just 2? Just 2 right now? That's okay. Say hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You ready to go on a walk? Let's see if we can show the camera your ear hair. Oh, it's almost gone. Got the cutest little hair right here. Cute little face.
Here's Juniper. She's getting a little fussy out on the walk. We just dropped Mama off to a Bible study. And this is us. See how she does across the street. Look left and right, Juniper. She loves her stroller rides. Where are we going, Retta?
We're going to trivia night.
With who? Juniper?
Juniper and our friends Sarah and Austin.
Oh boy, we're going to document the whole thing like a true family.
We'll see how smart they are. almost bedtime.
You're all, Juniper's all swaddled up. Not you. I'm talking to everybody. Oh, look how happy she is. All swaddled up, ready. We're almost to the place for trivia. Look at all those cars. They're so old now when you're watching this video in 100 years.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, hi.
Hey, Sarah.
Hi.
Here we are. Here we are. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm a real father now. I have a camcorder.
Heck yeah.
We're drinking
Camcorder.
some Dr. Pepper. Heck
Wait,
yeah.
we gotta show off the quiz.
No.
It should be K.
It should just be
WS.
No.
No?
Nowhere.
No, where are we?
Oh, we're by the YMCA.
Where are we going?
Home.
From where?
From trivia night.
Did we win?
No.
Why not?
Because we don't know trivia.
Why don't we know what?
Well, we don't know what gemstone is the birthstone of March.
But I think we would have won. So the last question we wagered 15 points and we lost by 11 points.
Yeah.
And we lost all 15 of those points.
Yeah.
If we wouldn't have lost those 15 points, the question was,
Everybody keeps going there, you're going home.
it was about what room in
Clue.
Clue did they change the hall from in the 2019 version, and they changed it to the bathroom,
Not the entryway.
because it was they give us
An 8-letter.
8-letter word. But
Yeah.
we're walking back. It's not as dark as I make it out with the night vision, but it is here. Let's show you.
I mean, it's night.
Well, now it's pretty bright. It's pretty bright. It was dark earlier. Where's the baby?
There's my baby. She's ready to eat.
She's so hungry.
Ready for dinner.
Eat, baby, eat. It won't focus. What's happening? What's wrong with my camera? I did. I texted you. How's it going?
I'm really sorry.
Where's the baby?
Lost her.
Dang it.
I must have opened it earlier. Sorry.
Oh.
Hi, June
How'd she
bug.
do?
Say hi to Daddy. Great.
Good.
Yeah, I think so. You sound like the baby. Just got back from our nature walk. Where are we, guys? What are we doing?
We're at Wallowa.
The lake. We're in a mountain.
We're
We're camping in the woods.
my hat.
Austin.
What?
Ah.
Here we are. Here's she's looking at the trees. Betta's throwing axes. Do you really want to hold this baby?
Yes.
Okay, you can hold the baby.
Pretty strapped in.
We're all strapped in.
Give it a couple minutes.
I need to get a wide angle lens for this.
And then you do some bounces like this. Hold her hand a little bit.
Do some real big bounces.
She likes them aggressive.
She likes aggressive bounces.
Passy.
That's my bad.
That's my
My
baby.
fault.
And we're having fun. We're loose. We're laughing. We're having fun.
What is a life?
Tell me.
Oh my god, I don't know. Hey, look, we're looking at ourselves. Tell ourselves.
You went way over my head.
It was over your head. So how's it going, guys?
Well, you know.
It's going real great,
We're
Ken.
walking on a trail.
Thanks for asking.
Tell us more.
Yeah,
There's a lot of Sasquatch here.
There was a guy that was snoring all last night, Kent, and I just really couldn't fall asleep.
I slept real
Was
great.
was his name Sarah?
No, it was like actually another guy at a different camp. Like,
Rude.
and I could hear him from where we were. It was terrible.
I didn't hear anything
Aw.
except elk.
Yeah.
You didn't hear anything but elk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're vlogging now.
Woo.
I'm gonna make 52 videos a year of my child every week.
Yay.
Yes.
52 videos a week.
2 week videos. I was gonna bridge in. You gotta do the cliche.
Oh, he's doing the little bridge. Little bridge sheet.
On a hot summer day.
Guys, there's a sock.
Let's get a close up of Sarah there.
Guys, there's a sock.
You
sock.
That's about right.
If you want a sock.
Free sock. And a free Michelob Ultra can.
Hey.
What? Hey, out of my pocket. I feel like down there is where you'd see a moose.
Yeah.
Or a bear.
Like down there is really gross, but it's also really pretty.
Sarah jump, Sarah jump.
Oh,
Jump, Sarah jump, Sarah little lake. Jump, Sarah jump, Sarah.
Jump in the lake today. Yeah!
Oh, we're back to the fire. Watch Dad fan the fire. Real weirdly.
That's what I was doing, Jennifer. Watch your father. Okay, let's try to get one of these normal logs on
What'd you
here.
say about your father?
So watch your
I'm not your father, okay?
Look at the
Stop
fire.
acting like it. Stop acting.
Okay, I won't use all the big ones yet, but I just want to get a nice base. You gotta get some
I feel
poles.
like you're all squished in this thing, but I know
Whoa,
you're not.
jump it. Bet you won't.
Oh, hi.
Just don't hit me.
What you doing?
Well, I'm putting the puzzle away that we just made like 4 hours
The
ago.
one time.
It was a good time. 500 pieces.
I zoom in way too hard on like just certain
One
things.
piece.
I think your butt.
The butt was a bad one.
It was more of a pat because I stopped myself. It was like a. It's like I came back, I was like, oh.
This is gonna be a great memory.
Oh, hi.
God,
I didn't
oh
slap
no.
anyone's butt.
No.
Wow. Yeah, literally kind of. So I just finished interviewing for that, and I'll get my offer probably on Monday.
Awesome. But pay more than what you're doing now?
You'll pay $5,000 more, which is the commission will be a lot easier.
Yeah.
And it has way more availability of like actually if the company's smaller.
Did you say you'll get paid 5,000 more, which isn't great?
Ow. Oh, sorry.
It's probably just hot dog juice.
It was hot dog juice.
All over Leah. You're not focused at all. There it is. It's a baby.
You have a night vision on that?
Heck yeah. Doesn't like to focus though, apparently.
Dr. Pepper.